Well, today is the 2nd of March and it looks like we're in store for a heavy weekend of freight. Let's have it! Hello you beautiful lot, welcome to Wellingborough. Now today it seems we've got quite a few movements coming down from Hendon. I don't know, there might be some engineering works going on. So I'm going to make it my mission on the 2nd of March to capture these awesome trains. So let's have it. Woo! Awesome. I mean, I wasn't expecting the one on the tail as well. I mean, that's an epic livery there. I like that. Right, okay, well, I think the next one down is going to be in a few hours time, where we've got a test train coming through. So it's more than likely going to be the 73s, but there may be enough chance. Might be something special. If I get half a chance, I may go down into the back corner and I may do a bit of drone footage up there. It looks like a beautiful day for it, so yeah, might get lucky, might not. But for now, I'm going to go get me breakfast. Well, I got down here and, well, yeah, that big black cloud up there looks like it's going to rain on me. And, yeah, I'm not risking my drone. Nope, no way. And now I've run out of time, I can't exactly run up to the railway station. I thought this one here would be a good spot to see this test train come through. And then we can quickly run back up the station and catch the rest of our departmentals. So, oh, it's all good fun, isn't it? Oh, 237s! Oh, beauty! Oh my days! What a... oh, mate! Oh dear! Oh look, there's another one coming as well. Look, can I balance? Oh no, I'm falling! Yeah! What do you reckon of that then, Desi? Oh, right, okay. I'm going to run back to the station. Oh, oh mate, that's... mwah. Derek Johnson. Right, and here we are, back at Wellingborough railway station. Should be a good one. Yeah, that was just a freight liner. I don't believe that was part of the Hendon, whatever's going on down there. So, yeah, the next one coming through should be a class 56 or a 57. I think it's a 56, yeah, with a class 70 as well. And it's bringing through some track lane equipment because of whatever's going on down at Hendon. So it is GBRF and it's a departmental movement. Mouthful. And yeah, should be interesting, right? 5:20 and the atmosphere is tense. Many train spotters have come up to the station to join us, including train spotter Maisie and BT Photography, and a very good friend of mine named Ashley. and Wellingborough's own legend himself, who would like to remain nameless. But let's wait. But this should be something special.
Awesome. Right, I wonder what we got next.
Oh, I ain't got that one.
Oh, brilliant. Epic. Did you just get me some horn tones? You did, didn't you? Thank you. Brilliant.
Oh, and that amazing, some epic movements there, wasn't it? Oh, brilliant. Right, but now that's done, BT photography, he's managed to get himself off home. I'm going to go get my dinner, and there should be some more movement about 8 o'clock. Now, speaking with my friend Ashley, he actually tells me what's actually going on down near Hendon, and it's actually the Brent Curve, and they've got a new station going in. So one of the trains with the 56 and the 70 earlier, you saw the old track that had been taken up and ready to be replaced with some new stuff. So I think all weekend it's going to be some exciting action, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be back and forth most of the weekend. But for now, I'm going home, get my dinner, and I'll see you in a little while. Maisie, have a lovely evening. We'll see you again soon, won't we?
Yes.
Well, here we are, back down once again. Time now is 8 o'clock, and we've now got another departmental move from Collis Rail coming through. It does state that it's another class 70, so it's quite rare to actually see these on the Midland Main Line. I haven't seen them before today, so it's pretty cool. Absolutely amazing seeing Maisie and BT photography. So yeah, that's lovely meeting the younger generation. I asked the question, what got you into train spotting? And apparently it's because of the lockdown. So apparently it's given that extra edge to get out and go and film. They've had a bit more time on their hands, so it's brought out the best of them, I think. Beautiful. Anyway, right, enough of that. Let's watch this train come through, shall we? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Just come in as well. Wow. Nice. How about that then? Isn't that absolutely brilliant? 3 at a time. Oh dear. I think I'm going to make this next train the last one, so it's getting quite, well, it is dark, isn't it? And the GoPro don't pick it up that good, so yeah, we'll see this one, and I'll try and get back tomorrow morning. What am I on about? Try. I'll be here in the morning. Of course I will. Here she comes. That's awesome. Oh, brilliant. Oh, I mean, it's lovely being on the other side of the platform and being able to capture the wheels as it goes by. But sometimes standing on the platform right next to it just gives you that rush, and that's awesome. Brilliant. Right, I would like to say good night to you all, and I'll see you all in the morning. Good morning to you all, you beautiful lot. Here we are, back again. We've got 4 movements coming from Silkstream. It's down by Luton. I don't believe it's part of the Brent Curve kind of new station building, but it's definitely some infrastructure movements. The first one coming through is a Collis Rail, and apparently the GBRFs, the drivers haven't turned up yet. So Lord knows what time they're coming through. What a position. Yeah, that's a good one, isn't it? Awesome. Class 70. God, brilliant. I've seen 3 in one weekend when I don't see any at all. That's beautiful. Right, now like I said, the drivers haven't turned up, so I don't know what's going to happen with these next few GBRFs. So, go home, make myself comfortable, but you may find me down there with me drone, or maybe even up at Wellingborough engine sheds. So, who knows? If I can't do none of that, then I'll say goodbye now. So, goodbye for now, or enjoy. 7 o'clock and we're back here once again. What a day, what a weekend. It's been absolutely mental. Watching all these different locomotives coming through with the different network rail goods. It's brilliant. But I am afraid as the sun starts to set, it is about that time that we see our last train. So this is a GBRF that's coming from Silkstream and again going up to Toton. So yeah, oh, what a shame. I want to give a big shout out to Michael Lawrence and Luke over in Market Harborough. So let's see our last train for the weekend. There you go, folks. Brilliant. What beautiful locomotive. Harry Beck.
We regret that there are
I like
no
that.
seat reservations.
Anyway, I suppose until next time, I hope you've enjoyed that video. It's been a pretty epic weekend, to be fair, and I hope that kind of reflects in the video for you all to sit back and drink your tea and enjoy yourselves. Brilliant. Don't forget to go over to Purple Vision and other channel. I've just done a bit of a railway video for our town where we've got the London North Western Railway coming through, so I managed to get the drone and have a look at the dismantled railway. It's pretty good, and there's other little bits on there where I scour the country looking for historical memorabilia stuff. It's great. But yeah, on that note, I hope you have a beautiful one. Peace, love and light, with a whole heap of unity. Ooh.